Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Got an interesting one I'm going to cut today. This is a piece of fossilized bone from California. Most likely a whale bone, like a piece of a vertebrae or something. It's been tumbled in the water and sand for a long time, it looks like. It's all kind of broken up. You can see a big fracture running through there, maybe here. I don't know how deep they go. I don't see the other end to that one. So I'm just not going to worry about the fractures because I can cab around those. I just want to see how to cut this. So two different ways we can go about this. You can see the cells are elongated along this edge. I could cut parallel to that and have that elongated cell structure, which is different. I don't have a lot of those. Or I could cut it perpendicular to that and we can get that kind of a structure. I don't know how deep into the stone it goes. It's hard to tell because it's weathered so much. Well, I don't have a lot with that elongated structure, so I'm going to cut this one parallel to this face or that face, somewhere here or here, or maybe just cut it down the middle. And yeah, it's big enough I can't slab it on that little trim saw, but I can cut it in half. And then later I can glue it to a 2x4 and push it through a bigger saw for slabs. But yeah, let's do that. Let's cut parallel or in the middle and see how that comes out with the elongated structure, cell structure. All right, let me go get this on the saw. I'll get this cut and we'll see what's on the inside. I'll be right back. All right, back from the saw. Got a nice cut right down the middle. So let's see how we did with the pattern. Wow, came out pretty nice. It's not pitted. It's got great color and pattern. A little fracture right there. So I'm guessing that might be from that, but I can't tell. Looks healed, but I could definitely work around that. I love the pattern with elongated cells. It's actually pretty cool. And any of the fractures in it, they all appear to be healed. Wow. It's pretty nice. And it's all the way through this. It's pretty solid. Let's look at the other half. More of the same. Lots of agate pockets in here too. Those are really nice. Very cool. All right, well, this is definitely going to get slapped up at some point and turned into cabochons. Those are really nice pieces. All right, let me know what you guys think. And we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.